Arrive in style with this 2008 Nissan Pathfinder SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: driver door bin, rear anti-roll bar, 3.133 axle ratio, power steering, speed-sensitive wipers, panic alarm, and AM/FM radio. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.